Good day to you all. My name is Paul Edwards. I am your registered representative with New York Life. I hope you had a restful and enjoyable weekend and that you are ready to face the challenges of today and to have a productive day and a productive week. As you all know, I am your financial advisor. I work with individuals and I work with business owners. I help them both to invest wisely and accumulate money over time so that they can retire comfortably. And I also help them to protect themselves and their loved ones with life insurance and with long-term care. And I would certainly want to help you today to do the same. Today we want to speak about updating your life insurance policy documents. And again, this is coming out of questions I've been asked by my listeners. Generally, when you take out a life insurance policy, you are asked to name your beneficiary. If you don't name a beneficiary, then your estate becomes your beneficiary. And if you were to pass, it becomes an issue for the court to resolve. So one of the benefits of life insurance, long-term care, one of the primary benefits of life insurance is that you can name your beneficiaries, and then this bypass the need for a court to allocate who should get what. So when you name a beneficiary in your policy, if you were to pass, then the proceeds will go to your beneficiaries. And you can name more than one beneficiaries. The beneficiaries don't have to be an individual. It can also be an institute, a charity. So it gives you great flexibility. And you can name all your kids, whomever you choose to be your beneficiaries. You have the option to do that. Many persons, however, have named beneficiaries, and over time, for one reason or the other, you do need to update your policy information. I know of many persons who name their parents as their beneficiaries, and their parents have died, and they now need to update the policy documents. Recently, a client of mine, he was very senior, died, but he had named his wife his beneficiary. And then his wife died before him. I tried to contact him, but was unsuccessful. And after his wife died, he did not update his beneficiaries. A couple of years after, well, 2 years ago, he died. And up to now, almost going 2 years, his policy benefits has still not yet been paid out because his estate now becomes his beneficiary, which means you have to go to court, get the required documents, submit it to the company, and then they will be able to pay out the distributions. So it's very important that you always take time. I say to my clients, at least once every year, you should speak with your life insurance agent. You should meet with your financial advisor because things change. I remember this lady, this client of mine, took out a policy, named her 2 sons as her beneficiary. Almost a year later, she called me and says, I wanted to change my beneficiaries. I want to take off one of my sons. She said he has not been good to her. That's what she says. She wants to take him off. So she did. About 2 months later, I got a call from her other son. His mother had cancer, and she died in about a month. What am I saying? It's very important you update and keep your policy documents up to date. You can call me today, Paul Edwards, New York Life. My phone number is 321-557-1155. I would love to speak with you about your retirement investment issues and any life insurance, long-term care issues you may have. Have a blessed day. Have a productive day. But more than anything, please remember to keep Christ at the center of everything you do.